birthday card.
Hey, Nicole.
Success!
I love to drive my car and roll on skates. Woohoo! We did it! We did it! That was amazing!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more funny dog stories.